guys, what's up? Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Part 2 on the butchery hood. It's coming along. We're going to butcher it some more. So I've got everything kind of, you can see I used some long haired glass here. And I already had a coat on here. I sanded it down and put another coat. And now I'm going to sand this coat down and then just put a skim of mud. And then that should do it for this side. And then I'm going to flip it over and get all the braces done. And then prime the living daylights out of it. So I wanted to show you guys what step I'm at right now. I mean, it's going to look okay, I guess, but I couldn't really match the paint 100%. This thing was painted probably 25, 30 years ago. And it's got kind of a real coarse, sort of like almost a metal flaky look to it. It's not metal flake, but it's real coarse and metallic in it, and you can't really match that no more. Such is life. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that, and I will continue on here with this as soon as I make some more progress. Alright guys, talk to you in a bit. Alright guys, back with the butchery here, part 2. I think there might be 3 parts in part 2. Anyways, I've got the fiberglass knocked down here real quick, just kind of roughed out. And now I'm ready to put about, I don't know, ½ an inch of mud on it to make sure it's good and butchered. Well, not quite that much, but you know what I mean. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. So yeah, I'm going to start laying some mud, and I'm probably not going to be doing a bunch of blocking because the hood is like going like this with all the braces and stuff underneath. It's really not straight at all. So, but I might pass a block like in the corners, you know, like right here, just to get the corner nice, and you know, obviously in here a little bit, get that going. I'm just trying to taper this down into here a little bit, and that's it for now. So I'm gonna keep on plugging away here, and I'll be back after I empty ½ a gallon of mud. All right. Hey guys, I'm back here. Just on a side note, this is what's on here, if anybody cares. Long strand fiberglass, and I don't really use this a lot. I haven't used this in a long time, but the resin is purple in here. It changes color. It turns green when it's curing, so you kind of know, you know, as it's curing, how much time you're kind of got left here before it starts setting up, kind of thing. So that's kind of cool that way, but probably charge us more money for that garbage. But anyways, that's what I'm using. A lot of times I'll just use the short strand glass, but that's good for you know, strength and, you know, corrosion resistance and that kind of stuff also. But this is the best for the fiberglass hood here for the strength, especially where the seam is on the scoop there. So because I didn't want to start having to lay down any matting or anything like that. It's just going to prolong the job too far here, and it just has to be respectable for the track, and that's about it. So just wanted to throw that in case somebody was wondering. Okay, all right, later. Hey guys, how's it going here? Back again on this butchery. I'm on to step 2 here of part 2. Anyways, I got the bodywork done, and I did end up doing a little blocking. It's just one of those things, you just can't leave it alone, you know. Otherwise, just not going to look very good. It's still not perfect, but it's going to be better than leaving a bunch of wows in it. You can kind of see where the highs are. Those are all like dips in between those right here. It kind of dips down just the way it goes. Same with that side. Anyways, so I'm just getting ready to prime here. I finished it off in 120. I'm going to put the first coat of primer here. I still got to fix the corner over there. That'll be tomorrow. And I just want to get it primed right now so I can sand it tomorrow, fix that over there, and then do a final prime. And then I just got to fix up the bracing underneath there, and that's it. I got to get this thing painted here. So just want to show you where I'm at here. Wow, that's a lot of body work. And so I kind of got this tapered down here. It should look okay, I guess. So that's where I'm at. So I'm going to prime it here now, and then I'll be back. Well, there it is, guys. It's primed up. And it actually looks pretty good. Even this center line here, even though it has to taper in, actually looks not too bad. So overall, it looks pretty good. I got a couple little pinholes to fill, and then I'll be ready to reprime it. So, but tomorrow I'm gonna, yeah, I'll probably do that tomorrow too, but I gotta flip it upside down and take care of the braces. I'll show you guys that there tomorrow at some point. But there it is. It's starting to look like, kind of like a hood. So, but yeah, it looks actually not too bad. It'll look good when it's done. It's just, you know, I kind of know what's underneath it, but that's the way it goes. That's why it's called butchery. So there it is. I'll leave it at that, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. All right, thanks.